What's that? Yeah. I mean, I'm taking a few pictures, but yeah, I've been taking a lot of video today. Try to turn driver and see if it'll bite up into that rock there, Tony. Yeah. Yeah, you might have to bump into that. Oh. Yeah, you're getting back in the same spot that they were. Just that passenger front just gets in a big puddle of water. Yeah. Ooh, that's up. Yeah. Stay, keep going. Stay in it. Oh.
You may be able to slip it over and slide in. If you do that, pull the driver. Starting. I knew what you were doing. Same thing you were doing. Stop, but try to slide over.
Oh, and he pulled out again.
I don't have any more. That's all I got. I had a little more.
Now, get a higher speed. Get a higher
Back up farther.
Get a higher speed. You're close.
Yeah, I know. I've been hot and cold all day, so yeah, I just put it back on. So. Oh, did you?
Gotta do it for the 4 doors. Yeah, do it. Problem is, you probably think you're over.
Well, that's, yeah.
And you're not.
Exactly.
You think you're like, okay, I hit it, I'm far enough.
You gave it all that time for sure.